Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how you can restrict the download and view access of S3 file. We have a setting in S3 file called File Download or View Type. If it is private, then only file owner or users with modify all permission on S3 file object can download and preview that file. Other users can access the private file only if the admin or file owner gives them download or view access by creating S3 file access control from file sharing settings. Let's see how you can give access to private files. Go to Accounts and open an account record. Upload a new file for the account. After that, go to the S3 Files section in the related list of the account and click on the S3 file record. It will open the S3 file record detail. Click on the File Administrator tab and select Private in File Download View Type. Now log in with a user who is not an admin and owner of that S3 file and try to download and preview that file. The user cannot download or preview the file because it is a private file and the user doesn't have access. Let's give the download and view access to the file. Log in as file owner or admin and go to that file detail and open File Sharing Setting tab. And click on the Grant Access button. Choose the level of access you want to grant and then select the user to whom you want to grant access. Click on the Grant Access button. You can grant access to other users and adjust their permissions as needed. Click on the Edit button to modify file access. After that, log in again with that user and try to download and preview the file. Now you can see that the user can download and preview the file. Thank you for watching.